Hey guys, today we'll see how to add Swiggy gift card. But before that, let me tell you what is the benefit of the Swiggy gift card. As you see in the picture, whenever you want to purchase 2000 worth gift card, you will be getting at just 1675 rupees. So the difference amount you can pocket or save. Okay, not only 2000 worth gift cards are available. The starting price of gift card is 50 rupees. And let me tell you, you can use this gift cards while placing your order on Swiggy at checkout. Now let me tell you, the Swiggy gift cards are available at various e-commerce sites, so you can buy them and avail this benefit. Here we have purchased Swiggy gift card on Gifter, as you see in the picture. This is one of the site that provides you with discounted vouchers and gift cards and coupon codes you can check out. I'll provide the link in the description box. Once you buy the gift card, you will be given these details as you see in the picture, the voucher code and the pin to add Swiggy gift card. Without any delay, now we'll see how to add this gift card on Swiggy app. As you see in the picture, go to Swiggy app. You click on the profile icon. Once you click on that, after you click, you see here the option of Swiggy money and gift cards. Click on Swiggy money and gift cards. Once you click on that, you come down and click on have a gift voucher. You just click on that. Here, be careful with the code you enter. Make sure that you copy the code in your notepad and enter the 16-digit code and the pin as well as shown in the picture. Once you do that, come down and click on add gift card. Once you click on that, your gift card will be added to the Swiggy money wallet. Here I have added 50 rupees worth gift card. As you see in the picture, it's been added instantly to the Swiggy money wallet. As you see in the picture, you can check by going to profile icon, clicking on Swiggy money, and now you can use the Swiggy money that is valid for 1 year to make various payments on your orders on Swiggy app, except for minis. So do avail this benefit by buying Swiggy gift card. Yes, you all know penny saved is penny earned, right? Okay, that's it all for today. If you like this video, do share to your friends and family and subscribe to Flying Skies One. Keep smiling. Have a good day.